In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create combo charts in Google Sheets. Creating a combo chart can be a powerful way to compare datasets with different units or magnitudes. And once you know where everything is, the process is quick and straightforward. Start by opening the Google Sheet that contains the data you want to visualize. I'll be using a simple expense tracker as an example, but any dataset with clear labels and values will work well. If your data has column headers, Google Sheets can automatically use those as labels, which makes your chart easier to read. With your sheet open, head to the top menu and click Insert. This is where you add elements to your spreadsheet. And for visualizing information, we're interested in charts. Select Chart from the menu. Google Sheets will instantly create a default chart based on the data it detects nearby. Don't worry if what you see isn't what you had in mind. We're about to reshape it. You'll likely see a column chart appear on your sheet. Make sure the chart is selected, then look to the Chart Editor panel on the right side of your screen. Under the Setup tab, you'll see Chart Type. It's probably set to Column Chart. Click that drop-down, scroll through the available options, and choose Combo Chart. A combo chart blends columns and a line on the same canvas, which is ideal for showing related series side by side, like monthly spending as bars and a running comparison as a line. Once the combo chart appears, let's make it clear and easy to interpret. In the same chart editor, switch to the Customize tab. This is where you refine the look and feel. Give your chart a concise, descriptive title so viewers instantly know what they're seeing. Consider adjusting series colors to create a strong contrast between the columns and the line. Clear, distinct colors help the eye separate categories at a glance. Add or edit axis labels so the vertical and horizontal axes communicate exactly what the numbers and categories represent. If you have multiple series, adjust the legend so it's visible and positioned where it doesn't overlap your data. Small changes like font size, grid line visibility, and background style can also make your chart easier to read without distracting from the information. Take a moment to review the result. Ask yourself whether the comparison you care about pops off the page, and fine-tune the labels or colors until it does. When the chart reads clearly, you're done. And that's it. You've created and customized a combo chart in Google Sheets that makes your data more insightful and easy to compare. Thanks for watching, and happy